The ocean and the sky is the first thing that hits you when you enter Santa Maria, and it doesn't stop there. Villa Santa Maria, Galley Bay Heights on Antigua's west coast for 2.5 million, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms on a plot that's just over 12,000 square feet. Let's go through every part of it. As soon as you step through the front door, the view smacks you in the face. Expansive sliding glass doors flood the living space with natural light, creating a seamless connection to the pool, the ocean and the hills beyond. No matter where you stand, you are met with incredible views. There's a reason it's built this way. Designed by an Italian architect, Salvatore Perna, completed in 2009, minimalist on purpose, made to integrate with the land rather than fight it. Every angle in this house is doing one job, framing that view. The vaulted ceilings is a traditional Caribbean feature which enhances the space of all the rooms. Built for entertaining as well as everyday living. Straight off the living room is the kitchen, with stainless steel appliances, a generous island and a breakfast bar built for people to actually gather round. And it all opens onto this covered veranda. Dining table right on the edge of the view, indoor and outdoor dining blend into a single space here. The master suite is set apart from the rest of the house, with direct access to the pool and lounge area from the master suite. Inside, a spacious walk-in wardrobe and a spa-style bathroom with separate vanity and water closet areas. Then there's the pool. With an infinity edge, you genuinely can't tell where it ends and the sea begins. Around it are covered terrace and landscape gardens, built for sunset cocktails, alfresco dining, or just sitting in complete seclusion with nobody else in sight. Back inside, you have a second ensuite bedroom that sits on the main level with its own bathroom and still connected to that same ocean outlook. Downstairs on the lower ground floor, 2 more bedrooms, fully detached, each with an ensuite nestled amongst natural stone walls. They're built to feel private and connected to the landscape, but still close enough that family or guests are never far. 2 detached suites, their own entrances, their own bathrooms, live upstairs, and let the 2 downstairs run as their own private Airbnb, completely separate from your side of the house. Or if you wanted to maximise your returns, you could rent the entire villa as one luxury home. Properties with 4 or 5 bedrooms are already in high demand across Antigua, and homes that offer this level of privacy for larger groups and multi-generational families are even harder to find. As a general guide, professionally managed villas here are typically seeing net yields of around 3 to 6%, with occupancy often climbing above 8% during peak season. Every property performs differently, of course, but this layout is exactly what today's rental market is looking for. And finally, some of those practical features that make everyday living so much easier. There's a dedicated home office that's actually designed to be used, a separate laundry room, air conditioning throughout the entire villa, a spacious garage and a backup generator, so if the power ever goes out, you're still covered. That's not the flashiest features, but when you live here on island, they are the ones you'll appreciate every day. Villa Santa Maria, 2.5 million, the ocean, the view, and a pool that blends seamlessly into the sea. Would you live here?